Thank you for joining. Hi guys! Thank you for joining. Hi guys! Thank you for joining my channel for today. My name is Ikang de los Reyes and welcome to my vlog. And yes, kung nakikita nyo, I am in a car today and I'm with my best friend 2 hours ago. Best friend agad, di ba? Best friend ka agad, hindi ba pwedeng friend lang? Yes, a friend of mine. Co-parents ko sa Phyllis Academy kung saan nag-aaral yung aking anak na panganay. And yes, magde-date kami ngayon. Araw na ito. Itatry natin yung unlimited Korean barbecue na bagong bukas sa URDANETA City. So, sasamahan nyo kami today na lumamon at makikita nyo kung gaano kami katakaw. And yan, representing my BFF. Yes, Rogeline, ang Michael Kors na iyamanin ng Phyllis Academy, di ba? So, babalikan ko kayo later kung kakain na kami. Okay, bye! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Unlimited Crazy Korean Barbecue na bagong open ngayon sa URDANETA City. Kaya naman makikipag-usap tayo kung magkakano dito sa loob, okay? Hi ma'am! What's your name?
Hi, I'm Patricia. Welcome.
Hi ma'am Patricia. Okay, tatanungin ko po kung magkano po yung mga menu nyo dito na Unlimited Samgyupsal.
Right now, we have yung 235 per head siya.
Okay.
Everything inside this box is unlimited. Everything we serve in the table is unlimited aside from the drinks.
Aside from the drinks. Anong oras po sila nag-open?
Yes, we open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Thank you so much. Please do invite everyone.
Yes! 안녕하세요. Please come and visit us. We will be very happy to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Patricia. Bye.
Bye.
today's video. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa panonood na aking vlog for today. And sana nakatulong tong video na to para itry ang unlimited samgyupsal na nagkakahalaga ng 235 pesos per head. And sulit siya actually. And compare mo sa ibang mga samgyupsal na nagkakahalaga ng 399 and 500 and up. So, located siya sa KFC, sa gilid nito, yung Bonus Shopping Mall na building, nandun lang po siya sa baba. And thank you so much din, Raj, for coming with me.
Thank you so much.
Kahit hindi ka nagsasalita, kahit kain ka lang na kain. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe at my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and bell button para ma-notify ka sa lahat ng aking mga videos. That's it for today. Bye!